lesson in fitness is creating your fitness plan, which you will be doing here shortly. The first part of it is measuring your fitness, which we did with our FitnessGram test. We measured flexibility, heart and lung endurance, also known as cardiovascular endurance, muscular strength, and muscular endurance. They talked about measuring your flexibility here with the V sit and reach or sit and reach test, and which we did that already. And we called ours the back saver sit and reach, and we measured it in inches. Measuring the heart and lung, one way that you can do it is we ran the mile. We also did the pacer test to measure your cardiorespiratory endurance. Muscular strength endurance, they measure it in two different ways. One way that they measure it with the abdominal strength would be the curl up test there, and upper body strength we did push-ups. Another one that they've done also with upper body strength is pull-ups, but we did not do them this year. Here are an example of some results that they have generated. Our FitnessGram results are on your fitness goals worksheet. The next part is setting a goal, and you had to do this on your fitness goal worksheet. Your scores in a fitness test might point you towards a fitness goal. You can base your goals off of a specific activity which you were asked to do. You were also asked to make it measurable, which means have numbers so you know how you improved or if you improved. And you needed to make it attainable and realistic, so something that you can reach. And then the last thing is you needed to have a time frame, and our time frame is in May, end of April, beginning of May, that we will be measuring these again. So you want to make sure that it's specific, measurable, attainable, and realistic, and can be reached in a specific amount of time. Now, what you will be doing is choosing the activities that you can do to help you reach your goal. Different activities are good for building different elements of fitness. So if you want to improve your pacer score, you need to do something that's going to get your heart pumping, and you need to get out of your comfort zone to improve your cardiovascular strength, which means you need to exercise to a point where it's maybe a little uncomfortable for you. Whether it's making the exercise more intense, meaning going faster, or whether it means exercising for a longer period of time at a pace that is not as strenuous. Okay, so another thing you need to look at is personal taste. What do you like to do? If you want to improve your cardiovascular fitness, pick cardiovascular exercises that you enjoy. If you do not enjoy running, don't write down that you're going to run. Put down an activity that you enjoy doing. Another thing you need to look at is what do you need to, what equipment do you need to do the activity? Do you need partners, equipment, new skills, a place to do your activity at, which leads us into the next one, the time and place. Figuring out what time of the day and where you are exercising. Probably the biggest downfall for people is this word right here, time, finding the time to exercise. The next one is when you figure out what exercise you want to do and when you're going to do them and where you're going to do them, you're going to need to have a variety. Aerobic means that you're going to use oxygen, okay, and you're going to do it for a continuous period of time. So running the mile, playing a football game, playing a basketball game, playing a volleyball game are all aerobic. Anaerobic is an intense physical activity that builds muscle but does not use large amounts of oxygen. So this is your sprint in basketball. It is your sprint in track, your sprint in swimming. It is doing our Tabata workout. It is doing the HIIT training where you're doing something really short for 30 seconds. That is anaerobic. The FIT formula, and you will hear me use this a lot. FIT stands for frequency, so the number of days that you will work out. Intensity, how hard you will work out. The first T stands for time. You want to try to aim for 60 minutes of physical activity a day. Now that does not have to mean your workout is 60 minutes long, because you can be physically active many different ways, but your workout should start someplace at 15 to 30 minutes. And the type, what are you doing? So we have frequency for the F, I is intensity, the first T is time, and the last T is type. Type is, once again, what exercise are you doing? This is it for lesson 2 And lesson 2, once again, was creating your fitness plan.